LG Earning App. Is it real or fake? The LG Learning app promises you can make money by watching videos, completing tasks, and inviting friends. They show big dollar amounts and claim easy withdrawals. But here's the reality check. Number one, this app is not available on Google Play Store or Apple App Store. You can only download it from third-party APK sites like apk.watch, as you can see here. That's a huge warning sign because the official stores have security standards and app verification. There is no connection to LG Electronics, the actual company that makes TVs and phones. They're just using the LG name to look legitimate. That's called trademark exploitation. The withdrawal threshold is suspiciously high. Many users report needing to reach $100 or more before cashing out, which takes weeks or months of daily tasks. And guess what? Most people never reach it. When people do reach the minimum, the app either crashes, asks for verification fees, or simply never processes the payment. Check online forums. The complaints are everywhere. Here's how these apps actually make money. They're harvesting your data, showing endless ads, and getting paid for your views and clicks. Meanwhile, you're doing free labor for pennies that you'll probably never see. The LG Learning app? Definitely fake. It's a waste of your time and potentially risky for your phone's security. Downloading apps from unofficial sources can expose you to malware, data theft, and privacy violations. If you want to earn money online, stick to verified platforms like legitimate freelance sites, proven survey apps from official stores, or develop real skills that actually pay. Bottom line, don't fall for it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.